Today we're going to play with the Cricut watercolor pens. These pens were just recently released, and here's the material that you would need. A Cricut Joy pack of watercolor paper, the pen, and the card mat. Once I went into the Cricut app, I chose image and I filtered it for draw only. I'm scrolling through to see which design I would like to use. If you have Cricut Access, there are tons of designs you can choose from. So I am going to pick the one I like and I'm going to hit insert. This cute little card is the one that I've chosen. I went to the layer to see which one is what color. I didn't want to use the traditional red, so I needed to identify that. Once I selected watercolor as the material, I went and I hit next and I made it. So now it is going to send to the machine once I select watercolor cards. Follow the instructions on the screen. You could choose less or more pressure. I chose less because I am using pens and not a blade. And here is the pen writing out the design, and I sped it up so you don't have to watch it. It is done. Now I'm coloring it with my water pen. You could do whatever you want. You could actually do it where you have some glow highlight out. I'm holding my phone, so it's a little shaky, but here it is. The more you go over the line of the markers, the darker it becomes. I think this is a pretty cool card. And as you can see, I'm filling it in like this slowly, and as I'm going through in the lines, you can see more color come out. This really makes me feel like a watercolor artist. I think this really came out good. What do you think? Hope you like it. Let me know what you think of watercolor markers.